Assalamu alaikum everyone. Hope you are doing great. We are going to start our today's session. Before starting, I just want to know who watched today's video. Thumbs up. Asfan and Ayan, mute yourself, boys. Don't unmute. Okay, thumbs up if you watched the video. Thumbs up, quickly. Musfira and Mahin, thumbs up, okay. Thumbs up if you watched the video. किसी और ने वॉच नहीं की वीडियो? सिर्फ मुस्फिरा और माहिन वालों ने की है? Okay, Aslan watched video. Okay. Okay, perfect. अभी भी बहुत सारे थम्स अप नहीं आए जिन्होंने वीडियो वॉच नहीं की. वीडियो वॉच नहीं की तो प्रोनाउंसिएशन का मसला रह जाएगा. वीडियो वॉच करना बहुत जरूरी है. ओके, सो काइंडली वॉच द वीडियो व्हेन इट इज सेंट. वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट नाउ. ओके, आई प्रोनाउंस दिस वर्ड. आपसे प्रोनाउंस नहीं करवाने क्योंकि आपने इसको, मैं होप करता हूं कि आपने ये सारे सुने होंगे और इसकी shadowing भी की होगी, mirroring भी की होगी, right? Okay, department store, restaurant, movie theater, hotel, cornfield, orchard, new, old. These are the words, okay? And as you know, I sent this page. ये जो मैंने डिजाइन किया है इस एक्टिविटी के लिए, ये मैंने आप लोगों को सेंड कर दिया था कि we will do these 5 activities in today's session, right? आज के सेशन में हम ये 5 एक्टिविटीज करेंगे. बिफोर स्टार्टिंग दीज एक्टिविटीज, I just want to listen you to elaborate these all words, right? आप में से I just want to invite you कि आप में से हर कोई एक एक वर्ड चूज करके उसको elaborate कर दे. Then we go towards activities. Okay, so raise your hands. Raise your hands to elaborate these words. Okay, the first name is Soran. Is Soran unmute? First pronounce all these words. First pronounce all these words and after
Department store.
Okay.
Department store.
Okay. Pronounce all these words.
Restaurant.
Restaurant. This is not rent. Restaurant.
Restaurant.
Did you watch the video? Did you watch the video?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Movie theater.
It's not a theater. This is not tha sound. अगर आपने वीडियो वॉच की है तो आपको इसको प्रोनाउंसिएशन इसकी ठीक कर लेनी चाहिए थी. It's a theater. tha sound है. Theater. Movie theater.
Movie theater.
It's not a theater. tha sound है. Theater.
Theater.
Okay.
Hotel. Cornfield.
This is ka sound. Cornfield.
Cornfield.
Ka sound. Ishal, Soran, this is ka sound. It's not ka. Ka. Cornfield.
Cornfield.
Good.
Cornfield. Orchard. Orchard. New. Old.
Okay. Now choose one word to elaborate.
सर उसका सेंटेंस बनाना है.
You will define. You will define कि what's that? What is that? You will define. Choose one word. Yes. You will tell the definition. You will tell the definition. जो कि आपको होमवर्क में भी दी गई थी. You will tell the definition of this word. Now choose one.
Hotel.
Hotel. Okay. So define it.
A place where stay when they travel.
A place where
Where stay
a place where people stay
when they travel.
when they travel. Will do they stay for short time or long time?
All time.
All time?
Yes, sir.
How can you say people stay in the hotels all time? When you go different city and you stay at hotel, so you stay for all time, forever, or for few time, for
No,
some
sir.
time.
No, sir.
So you stay for some time, for short time.
Short time.
Yes. So hotel is a place where people or especially travelers stay for short time and they pay for this time, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you, Quran. You pronounce all these words and you elaborated and defined the word. Thank you. The next name is Tayyiba. Yes, Tayyiba, first pronounce all these words and after this choose one word to define. Yes.
Okay, sir. Department store. Restaurant.
No, this is not rant. Tayyiba, this is not rant. Did you watch the video?
Yes, sir.
If you watch the video, the pronunciation in that video is restaurant. It's not rant. Restaurant. Restaurant.
Restaurant.
Yes.
Movie theater.
This is not tha sound, bacho. This is a tha sound. Theater. Like we say thank you, not thank you. Theater. Movie theater.
Movie theater.
Okay. ये आपको लिसन किड्स, ये जो आपको प्रोनाउंसिएशन में मसला आ रहा है ना, इसका एक ही हल है। जो वीडियो भेजी जाती है उसकी शेडोइंग और मिररिंग एक से ज्यादा मर्तबा करें और जो वर्ड बहुत मुश्किल लग रहा हो उसे बहुत ज्यादा प्रोनाउंस करें। दो मकसद के लिए आपको भेजी जा रही होती है ये चीजें, ताकि आपका एक एक वर्ड अच्छे से प्रोनाउंस कर सकें आप और पूरा सेंटेंस अच्छे स्ट्रेस के साथ प्रोनाउंस कर सकें। आप नहीं करेंगे तो यह मसला होगा जैसे क्लास में हो रहा है। तो काइंडली आई रिक्वेस्ट यू watch the video more than one time and try to focus on the difficult words you feel difficulty to pronounce. Okay, next. Tayyiba.
Hotel.
Good.
Pamphlet. Art. Orchard.
Orchard.
Orchard. New. Old.
Okay, now choose one word to define.
Hotel.
Hotel?
Yes.
No, you can't, because Suran already defined this word. You can choose from the left ones.
Okay, sir. New.
New. Okay, define it. What is new?
Like new houses and new things.
No, what is new? Define new. What is that mean?
New is
Yes. New mean what? Are you there? Yes, Tayyiba, are you there? I can't listen, Tayyiba. Everyone, can you listen me?
yes.
Yes, sir.
Tayyiba is not speaking. Are you there, Tayyiba? I don't know what happened with them. We take Musfira. Yes, Musfira? Pronounce all these words and choose one to pronounce. To define.
department store, restaurant, movie theater, hotel, cornfield, orchard, new, old.
Very good. Now choose one.
A department store is a place where people come and buy products like clothes, toys, chocolates, etc.
It's not beta etc. I told you many times, you are my old student, how you can pronounce etc. It's not etc. It's etc. etc. वगैरह वगैरह. etc. Pronounce it.
At
etc. etc.
etc.
Yes. The complete word is etc. Okay. That's mean vagara vagara. Okay, ji. Thank you. Now, Mahin, pronounce all the words and choose to define. Quickly.
Department store, restaurant, movie theater, hotel.
Look, listen. This is not restaurant. This is not restaurant. This is restaurant. Restaurant.
Restaurant, movie theater, hotel, cornfield, orchard,
Orchard. Orchard.
orchard, new, old.
Choose one to define. Choose one.
Restaurant,
Okay. Restaurant. Restaurant. Okay. Define it.
a place where people go to eat and drink. For example, pizza, burger, cold drink.
Okay. Well done. The pronunciation of the word is pizza. It's not pizza. 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 Yes. Thank you. Okay. Next name is Mahvish. Yes, Mahvish, pronounce all these words. Okay. Don't pronounce all these words. Simply choose one to define, because we have a lot of activities and we want to complete them. They are very important and they give you a chance to think deeply, to understand the concept clearly. So choose one word to define quickly.
Orchard,
Orchard. Okay, define.
a place where fruit, trees, and a grown.
A place where tree fruit grows.
Yeah.
Okay, that's okay, perfect. Now, Hassan, choose one word quickly.
I choose hotel.
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 Okay, define it.
I stay hotel. I stay hotel and I sleep hotel.
I sleep in hotel.
I sleep in hotel.
But you are making sentence, boy. Don't make sentence. Define it. इसको define करो कि ये होती क्या है. आप तो इसको sentence में इस्तेमाल कर रहे हो. Don't do this. Define it कि होती क्या है.
People stay hotel and I stay hotel.
People stay hotel. People stay in hotel for short time. This is the definition. Say it. होटल के अंदर बहुत ही शॉर्ट टाइम के लिए लोग स्टे करते हैं. People stay in hotel for short time.
People stay for short time.
Yeah. Okay. Isha, now you choose.
I choose the apartment store. Department
store.
Department
Okay.
store.
Define it.
A department store is a big shop where you can buy many different things. Done.
Very nice. Department is a big shop where you can buy a lot of things or different things or different products. Very good. Okay, well done. Rukaiya, now you choose one word. Quickly, we have a lot of interesting activities today. We want to complete them. Yes, Rukaiya.
I choose movie theater. Movie theater is a place where people watch movies on a big screen.
Very good. Movie theater is a place where people watch movie on a big screen. Well done. Good. Ayan, Asfan, quickly choose one word. Yes, boy.
Hotel.
What?
Hotel.
Hotel. Okay. Define it. What's hotel?
People stay hotel in short time.
Very good. So, hotel is a place where people stay for short time. Very good. Ayan, you choose one word.
Movie theater.
Movie theater. Okay.
People go to movie theater and see the interesting movies and enjoy.
Very good. See the movies or watch the movies. You can tell watch the movies. Okay. Movie को watch किया जाता है बच्चे. Right. So movie theater. People go to movie theater to watch movies on big screen. On big screen. This is very important point. Big screen and on comfortable chairs. Okay. Thank you. अब्दुल्ला असद चूज वन वर्ड क्विकली रेज कर लिया करो बच्चों हैंड्स मुझे कैसे पता चलेगा कि कौन रह गया है तो रेज कर लिया करो अपने हैंड्स और जो कर ले वो डाउन कर ले अपने हैंड्स यस अब्दुल्ला चूज वन वर्ड
Sir, old.
ओल्ड डिफाइन इट
Something that is not new or has been used for long time, etc. This is an old book.
वेरी गुड ओल्ड is a thing this is not new and has been used for a long time like it's an old mobile, it's an old laptop, it's old shirt. Very good. Okay, perfect. Who the next? Arsalan, I think. Yes. Arsalan, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Arsalan, beta, choose one word. Quickly, boy. Are you there?
Hotel.
Hotel. Okay, tell.
This is very big and beautiful.
Big and beautiful तो होती है. इसका फंक्शन क्या है? क्या काम आती है? होटल में होता क्या है? बिग एंड ब्यूटीफुल तो हो सकती है. ठीक है. लेकिन ये होता क्या है? अभी बच्चों ने बताया ना कि लोग इसमें क्या करते हैं और तो वो रीजन बताएं ना. होटल है क्या? किस मकसद के लिए बनी है?
Room in the hotel.
What?
Small rooms in the hotel.
Okay. The main thing for hotel is, boy, listen. People stay for short time. This is the main thing. ये है इसका पर्पस कि लोग आके शॉर्ट टाइम के लिए स्टे करते हैं. जो लोग ट्रैवल जैसे हम बिग सिटीज में जाते हैं तो अगर रात वहां रहना हो तो होटल में जाके रहते हैं. तो दिस इज द फंक्शन. तो होटल इज द प्लेस वेयर पीपल स्टे फॉर शॉर्ट टाइम एंड पे फॉर देम. पे फॉर इट. ओके. ओके जी, वेल डन. आई थिंक ऑल डन. अगर कोई रह गया हो तो अनम्यूट करके बता दे. आई डोंट नो.
Survey.
I think. Okay. Yes, choose one word, Huran, quickly.
Okay. Cornfield.
Cornfield. Okay. Define what is cornfield.
Where corns are making
Where corns grow, right?
grow. Yeah.
Cornfield is a place where corn grow. Where
Cornfield.
corns grow. Yes. जहां वो उगते हैं. Corn. Corn को क्या कहते हो पंजाबी और उर्दू में?
सर हम लोग तो कॉर्न ही कहते हैं.
Okay. ठीक है. Thank you. Tayyiba, you choose one word. Asfan and Ayan, please keep mute yourself, boys. आपके बैकग्राउंड का काफी शोर आता है. Yes, Tayyiba, now you choose one word.
Movie theater.
Movie theater. Okay, define it.
Movie theater is a place where we watch movies in a big screen.
Very well done. Good job. Okay. Movie theater is a place where we watch movies on a big screen. Good. Okay, Ji. Well done, everyone. Acha ki aapne. Now we have some टफ एंड डीप एक्टिविटीज, थोड़ी सोचने वाले भी हैं और थोड़ा आपका दिमाग खोलने वाली भी हैं, एंड वी विल अंडरस्टैंड द कॉन्सेप्ट डीपली. Whenever someone asks, oh, what's department store, restaurant, movie theater, hotel, cornfield, orchard, you at once can speak about them. So in this way I designed all these activities. Okay, ये खास सीक्वेंस में है, इसमें आपकी अंडरस्टैंडिंग बहुत ही गहराई में डेवलप होगी, and you will be able to speak on a certain topic, on a certain thing. Okay, now kids, look, as you can see, आपने इन पिक्चर्स के बारे में आप यू विल चूज योर सेल्फ. ओके, आप अपने लिए एक पिक्चर चूज करोगे, एंड दूसरा स्टूडेंट जो है वो आपको उस पिक्चर के बारे में ये 4 क्वेश्चन करेगा. ओके ओके, अदर स्टूडेंट विल आस्क दीज 4 क्वेश्चन फॉर योर चूजन पिक्चर. सिंपल. ये एक्टिविटी, पहली एक्टिविटी यही है. हम पहले इसी से शुरू करते हैं. तो एक्टिविटी अगर किसी को समझ नहीं आई तो वन म्यूट करके पूछ ले, अदरवाइज अभी हम बच्चे करेंगे ना एक्टिविटी तो उनको वैसे पता चल जाएगा कि कैसे एक्टिविटी होती है. जिनको पता चल गया है वो हैंड रेज कर लें. हु वांट टू पार्टिसिपेट इन दिस एक्टिविटी? यस. ओके ओके, अभी डाउन कर लें सारे हैंड्स, एंड दोबारा अब आपने हैंड रेज कर रहे हैं क्योंकि पहले से कुछ हैंड रेज थे. ओके, Musfira and Mahin. Musfira, you choose one word and Mahin will ask these questions and you will answer. Yes.
Sir, Musfira choose.
Musfira will choose one word and you will ask questions. Yes, quickly.
Sir,
Don't take much time. Yes, Musfira.
department store.
Okay,
But
ask questions.
This is a department store. What
Okay,
can you
listen, Musfira beta, listen. Don't use this word for first question. First question के लिए वो जो लिखा हुआ है वो चूज मत करो. उसका synonym चूज करो. Synonym पता है ना आपको? Synonym का मतलब होता है उसका हम मीनिंग वर्ड. ठीक है, उसका मिलता जुलता उसका कोई लफ्ज. जैसे हम बिग शॉप भी कह सकते हैं, मतलब रेस्टोरेंट के लिए वेरी लार्ज शॉप भी कह सकते हैं. ठीक है, तो उसका सिनोनिम वर्ड ढूंढ के बैठे हैं आप सारे लोग. अपना अपना वर्ड जो भी आप चूज करोगे उसके लिए उसका सिनोनिम वर्ड चूज करना है, आपने यूज करना है. यस, नाउ आंसर अगेन. व्हाट इज इट?
This is a big shop.
दिस इज अ बिग शॉप. ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन.
What can you see? I can see, and there are many products, and people come and buy.
वेरी ग्रेट. I can see. Listen, Mahin, listen. वेरी गुड, बहुत ही अच्छा. आपने ज्यादा लंबा नहीं करना आंसर, शॉर्ट आंसर देना है एक सिंपल से सेंटेंस में. तो आप बता सकती हो आई कैन सी, क्योंकि आपसे पूछा गया सिर्फ कि क्या देख सकती हो. आपने ये भी बता दिया कि लोग आगे यहाँ खरीदते हैं, आपसे ये नहीं पूछा गया. जो कुछ पूछा गया सिर्फ वो आंसर करो, क्योंकि आगे डिटेल में आता जाएगा. यू कैन सिंपली से आई कैन सी लॉट ऑफ प्रोडक्ट्स, बस. दिस इज योर आंसर. ओके मुस्फिरा?
I
Okay,
can
next question. Yes, okay, answer.
I can see a lot of products.
Okay,
Who usually goes there? Families and customers.
very good. Complete sentence बनाया करो. Families and customers go there.
Families and customers go there.
Very good.
What do people do there? People do there and buy products.
Do there नहीं कहना बच्चे, वो तो क्वेश्चन है ना. बस सिंपली ये कहो कि people buy products there.
People buy products there.
Very good. Now choose one word, Mahin, quickly.
Restaurant.
पहले से चूज करके बैठ जाओ बच्चों, आपको टाइम ना लगे इस पे. Okay, so it's a restaurant. Okay, ask questions.
What is this? This is a large
What
shop.
is it? What is it?
What is it? It is a large shop.
It's a
Large shop.
shop. It's not a shop, Mahin. It's not a shop.
Large restaurant.
You can say it's a place to eat.
It's a place to eat.
हाँ, खाने की जगह है ना, तो इसके लिए synonym word ये हो सकता है ना. It's a place to eat. खाने की जगह है ये. It's a place to eat.
It's a
Next
place
question.
to eat.
Next question.
What can you see? I can see table, chairs, and food.
Okay, very good. Very good answer. Okay, next.
Who usually goes there? Families, friends goes there.
No, जब आप families और friends कहती हो तो फिर goes नहीं कहोगी ना. He sheet के साथ goes आता है, go कहोगी. Families and friends go there.
Families and friends go there.
Good.
What do people do there? People eat and drink there.
Very well done. Very good answers. I'm really happy. Musfiraz and Mahin's answer very short, brief and clear. इस तरीके से आंसर देने हैं बच्चों. लंबे आंसर नहीं चाहिए इस एक्टिविटी के लिए. Very good, Musfira and Mahin. Well done. Now Asfan and Ayan. Asfan and Ayan, if there is no background noise, then you can unmute. Otherwise, you can't. अपनी जगह फिक्स कर लो, जहां नॉइज ना हो वहां बैठो. फिर मैं आपको लेता हूँ, हुरैन तैयबा को ले लेता हूँ अभी. ये हुरैन तैयबा, इफ यू कैन अनम्यूट क्विकली. Okay, choose one movie. Movie theater. Ask questions.
What is it? It's a movie theater.
No.
What can you
No,
see?
no, no, no. Listen. मैंने आपको बताया था पहले क्वेश्चन के आंसर में वो वर्ड नहीं बताना, उसका मिलता जुलता वर्ड बताना है. तो आप बता सकती हो कि एक ऐसी प्लेस है जहां मूवी देखी जाती है. इट्स अ प्लेस टू वॉच मूवीज.
It's a place to watch movies.
यस.
What can you see?
I see.
आई कैन सी. क्वेश्चन में कैन है. आई कैन सी.
Okay, sir. I can see big, big
Big
LCD screen
and
and
comfortable chairs.
comfortable chairs.
Okay.
Who goes there?
People usually go to watch movies.
Good.
What do people do there?
People watch movies there.
Very good. Now you choose a tayyiba quickly.
Restaurant.
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 Okay, ask.
What is it?
We go there and we
Uh-huh.
No. What is it? What is it?
रेस्टोरेंट उसके आंसर में नहीं आएगा.
ये क्या है? What is it?
Where we take food.
Where we eat food. Okay. It's a place to eat. आप ये भी कह सकते हो short. It's a place to eat.
It's a place to eat.
Very
What
good.
can you see?
I can see tables and chairs.
Very good. Next.
Who usually goes there?
That people they need to eat something special.
People go there, right?
I'll go there. Okay.
Or family and friends go there. Okay.
What do people do there?
People eat food.
Very nice. Good answer. Very short, brief, and clear. Who's the next? Mavish and Hassan. Okay, not Mavish and Ruqayya. Mute yourself, Soran beta.
Yes. What is it?
It
No,
is
no, 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 no. पहले choose तो करने दो. किसने क्या choose किया है? Choose one word. Ruqayya, you choose one word.
okay. I choose orchard.
Orchard. Okay.
What is it?
It is a big field.
What can you
It's
see?
it's a big field for fruits.
Yeah. It's a
Say it
big
again.
field. It's a big field for fruits.
Very good.
What can you see?
We can see a lot of fruits.
I can see a lot of fruits on trees.
I can see a lot of fruits on trees.
Very good.
Who usually goes there?
Uh, uh,
Who take care of the orchards?
uh, farmer,
Yes, farmers go there.
farmers go there.
Yes.
What do people do there?
They um uh,
What do farmer do with the trees?
they
They grow trees and collect fruits.
they grow trees and collect fruits.
Yes, very nice. Okay, now you choose Mavish quickly.
Restaurant.
What is it?
Restaurant. Restaurant.
Restaurant.
Okay.
What is it?
Dining hall.
Okay, very good. Dining hall, very good. It's a good word. Kids, we use its place to eat. हमने पहले इसको ये choose किया था. Give me a few seconds. Okay, it's a dining hall. Good word. Yes, ask Ruqayya.
Can you see?
I can see table, chairs.
Good.
Who usually goes here?
Families, and usually customer go there.
What do people do there?
People eat food like pizza. Done.
Okay, continue to speak. Why you stop? Done?
Yeah.
Okay, well done. Perfect. Okay, the now next name is Abdullah Asad and I can take Hadika. Hadika. Yes, Abdullah Asad, you choose one word.
The restaurant. Restaurant.
Restaurant. Pronounce restaurant.
Restaurant.
Okay, Hadika, ask questions.
What it is?
It's a restaurant.
What can you see?
I can
No,
see
no,
some.
no. पहले क्वेश्चन के आंसर में आपने रेस्टोरेंट नहीं बताना, आपने उसका सिनोनिम बताना है जैसे बच्चों ने बताया है. Okay, answer again. What is it?
It's dining hall.
It's a dining hall. Very good. Next question, Adhika.
सर
Asad, yes.
मैंने तो ये दो क्वेश्चन ही पूछे हैं.
हमने नहीं सुने ना, आप बताएं, दोबारा पूछें दूसरा क्वेश्चन।
What can you see?
I can see some tables and chairs.
Okay, next. Yes, Adhika beta, ask next question.
सर और क्या पूछना है?
ये सारे क्वेश्चन पूछने हैं ना बच्चे, ये जैसे सारे सबने पूछे हैं।
Who usually goes there?
Families and friends go there.
What do people do there?
People eat and drink.
Very good, Abdullah. Very nice answers. Short and brief, clear. Now, Hadika, you choose one word. Abdullah will ask.
Department store.
Department store. Yes, Abdullah.
What is it?
Hadika. She's gone? I think she's gone. Okay, no problem. Okay, I will take you. जब हदीका आ जाएगी अब्दुल्ला, मैं आपको फिर ले लूंगा, ठीक है? फिर आप उससे पूछिएगा. Okay? Okay. Okay, now Hassan and Isha. Hassan and Isha. Yes, Hassan, choose one word.
Yes, sir. What is it? Two, sir. I choose orchard.
Okay.
What is it? It is a fruit garden.
Okay, very good. It's a fruit garden. Very good word. Yes.
What can you see? I see a lot of trees and fruit with fruit.
Very good.
Usually,
मैं वैसे आप पीछे से मत बताया करें,
Yes.
बच्चे उनको गलतियां करने दें और सीखने दें, नो प्रॉब्लम. सही आंसर नहीं चाहिए, बस ट्राई चाहिए कि वो ट्राई करें. आप पीछे से बिल्कुल भी फीड मत करें. यस, सेकंड क्वेश्चन.
usually goes there. Yes, yes, yeah.
नो हसन लिसन. क्वेश्चन है हु यूजुअली गोज देयर, कौन आमतौर पे वहां जाता है, ये है क्वेश्चन.
Farmer.
ओके, फार्मर्स गो देयर. आंसर.
Farmer go there.
ओके, गुड.
What do people do there?
फार्मर क्या करते हैं वहां पे, ऑर्चर्ड में क्या करते हैं?
Trees grow.
Yes, farmers, yeah, people grow and collect fruits.
People plant, grow, and people.
No. People grow trees and collect fruits.
People grow trees and collect fruit.
Very good. Now you choose, Isha.
I choose department store.
Department store. Yes, ask.
What is it? Shopping center.
Very
What
good.
can you see? I can see different hands.
Products.
Usually goes there.
Okay, who usually goes there?
Sir, इसकी meaning क्या है?
हाँ, who usually go there का मतलब यह है कि कौन आमतौर पे वहां जाता है. डिपार्टमेंट स्टोर में कौन जाता है? Who goes there?
Who goes there? People.
People go there.
People go there.
Okay.
What do people do there?
लोग वहां क्या करते हैं? अगर जाते हैं तो फिर नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है कि क्या करते हैं वो. यस.
I can.
नो, मुझे उर्दू में बताओ, क्या करते हैं वो वहां जाके?
Shopping करते हैं.
हाँ, वेरी गुड. तो दे शॉप देयर.
They shop there.
हाँ, वो वहां शॉपिंग करते हैं या खरीदते हैं चीजें. वेरी गुड. ओके, डिड ग्रेट जॉब ईशा एंड हसन. वेल डन. ओके, नाउ आई वांट टू टेक हदीका अगेन. हदीका, आर यू रेडी? हदीका.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you disconnected actually. Okay, what was your word?
The department store.
Department store. Abdullah,
Yes, sir.
ask.
What is it? What is it?
It is a large store.
What can you see?
I can see clothes, shoes, toys, fruits, and many others.
ओके, ये भी कह सकते हो, ये भी बहुत अच्छा है, लेकिन आप सिर्फ ये कह दो तो शॉर्ट हो जाएगा और सही हो जाएगा. आई कैन सी लॉट ऑफ प्रोडक्ट्स.
I can see lot of products.
यस.
Who usually goes there?
Shoppers, families, and customers look.
वेरी गुड, गो देयर.
What do people do there?
People look at products, try on clothes, shop, and buy things.
हाँ, इसको शॉर्ट कर दें अधिका, इसको बिल्कुल शॉर्ट कर दें कि वो वहां बस खरीदते हैं या शॉप करते हैं. दे
They buy more products.
हाँ, दे बाय प्रोडक्ट्स.
They buy products.
हाँ, बाय की जगह शॉप भी लगा सकती हो. दे शॉप देयर, वो वहां शॉपिंग करते हैं. दे बाय प्रोडक्ट्स, वो प्रोडक्ट्स खरीदते हैं. तो ये दोनों बातें ठीक है. ओके ओके, ओवरऑल योर आंसर वाज वेरी गुड, माशाल्लाह, वेल डन. ओके जी, हु इज लेफ्ट? कौन रह गया है? थम्स अप, असफान नयान. यस, असफान नयान, अनम्यूट, चूज. ओके, जो रह गया है वो थम्स अप, हैंड रेज कर रखे अपने. यस,
Yes, sir.
चूज.
Hotel. Cornfield.
नो नो, दोनों मत बोलो ना इकट्ठे बच्चों. ये
Sir,
थोड़ा सा डिसिप्लिन रहो, आपस में ये ना करो, डिसिप्लिन रहो थोड़े से. अयान, आप चूज करो फर्स्ट.
cornfield.
कॉर्नफील्ड. ओके, आस्क असमान.
What is it? This is a lot of plants.
नो 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 नो, लिसन. पूछा जा रहा है कॉर्नफील्ड है ये. कॉर्नफील्ड क्या होती है? तो आप कह सकते हो अ प्लेस वेयर कॉर्न ग्रो. कॉर्न्स ग्रो, जहां कॉर्न जो है, ये जिसको हम सराइकी में सिट्टा कहते हैं, वो उगते हैं. ये वो जगह है, वो फील्ड है. ये स्पेसिफिक फील्ड है, कोई आम फील्ड नहीं है. तो आप कह सकते हो अ प्लेस वेयर कॉर्न्स ग्रो.
A place where corn grow.
वेरी गुड.
What can you see? I can see a lot of corn plant.
वेरी गुड.
Who usually goes there? Answer.
Who works in the field, Ayan? Farmers works, right?
Farmers go to cornfields.
Yeah. Yes, good.
What do people do there? People
काम करते हैं फार्मर्स. वो जो पीपल है ना, वो जो क्रॉन फील्ड जाते हैं, वो 3 काम करते हैं. वो ग्रो करते हैं, टेक केयर करते हैं और कट करते हैं. तो आप कह सकते हो पीपल ग्रो, टेक केयर एंड कट कॉर्न प्लांट्स.
people go and grow and take care and cut and
ओके, एंड आपने ज्यादा यूज नहीं करना, सिर्फ एक मर्तबा यूज करना है. आपने कहना है पीपल ग्रो, टेक केयर एंड कट प्लांट्स.
people grow
take care.
take care, and cut.
Okay, cut plants.
Cut plants or at
That's it. That's it. That's it. Now you choose, Usman.
hotel.
Hotel.
What is
Yes, ask.
What is it? Hotel. Hotel. Hotel is place people go and stay short time.
Okay, आप पहले सवाल के जवाब में कहो, it's a place to stay.
It's a place to stay.
Yes.
What can you see? I see big building. Big building
And?
room.
Very good. I can see big building, rooms and lobby. Lobby कहते हैं जो ही हम एंटर होते हैं ना, एंटर और बिग हॉल दिखता है हमें होटल के अंदर, जहां बैठ के वेट हम रूम में वेट करते हैं, उस वेटिंग रूम को कहते हैं लॉबी. ओके,
Lobby.
सो आई कैन सी बिग बिल्डिंग, रूम्स एंड लॉबी.
Okay. I can see big building, rooms and lobby.
गुड.
Who usually goes there? People and his friends, families and friends go there.
वेरी गुड. अच्छा, इसमें ना पीपल या फैमिली फ्रेंड्स से ज्यादा ना ट्रैवलर्स और टूरिस्ट जाते हैं, क्योंकि शॉर्ट टाइम के लिए उनको स्टे करना होता है. तो आप ये भी कह सकते हो कि ट्रैवलर्स एंड टूरिस्ट स्टे देयर फॉर शॉर्ट टाइम.
Travelers and tourists stay there for short time. Question. What do people do there?
शॉर्ट टाइम के लिए जब स्टे करते हैं तो क्या करते हैं टूरिस्ट और ट्रैवलर्स, क्या करते हैं वहां पे?
Tourists and travelers stay and
उनको सोना होता है और रेस्ट करना होता है ना, तो आप कह सकते हो दे स्लीप एंड रेस्ट
they sleep and rest.
देयर. दे स्लीप एंड रेस्ट देयर.
They sleep and rest there.
ओके, वेल डन, गुड जॉब. ओके जी, हु द नेक्स्ट? कौन रह गया है? हैंड रेज करें क्विकली. सोरान. ओके, सोरान एंड अरसलान. अरसलान, आर यू देयर? Soran. Yes, Soran, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, perfect.
Yes, sir.
Hudain and Tayyiba, आप लोगों ने कर लिया था परफॉर्म? Yes, कर लिया था. Okay, Arsalan, are you there? Hello, Arsalan. Hello, boy, are you there? Are out of the world? Okay, I don't know what happened with him. Okay, he's there, I think. Are you there, Arsalan?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Soran, choose one word.
Department store.
Department store. Arsalan, ask questions.
What is it? Yes.
What is it? You're taking a lot of time. Soran, are you speaking or not?
A big shop.
A big shop. Next question, Aslan.
What can you see? I see many products.
I can see. Soran beta, look, as you can see, can in the question. So you have to use can in your answer. I can see many products.
I can see many products. What usually goes there? Shoppers.
People, yes, shoppers go there. Very good.
What do
Try
people
to Arslan, 1 minute. Soran, try to answer in complete sentence. Sentence complete हो चाहे वो बिल्कुल short हो. Okay? Don't answer in one word. Try to answer in complete sentence. Shopper go there.
shopper go there?
Yes. Yes, Arslan.
Yes, sir. What do people do there? People goes to shopping. Okay.
People buy things or people shop there. Okay?
Yes, yes.
Okay, now you choose Arslan, one word, and Soran will answer. Question. Yes, Arslan, choose one word.
With theater.
Movie theater. Yes, movie theater. Ask questions.
What is it? It is big movie theater.
No, it's not a movie theater. आपने different word use करना है. Different word use करना है. इसका मिलता जुलता कोई और word. It's a place to watch movies.
It's a place watching movies.
Good.
What can you see? I can see big TV.
Very good.
Who usually goes there?
Yes, Hassan. Who usually goes there? कौन जाता है वहां पे? Who usually goes there?
We goes in movie theater.
Okay, people go there. People go there.
People goes there. Movie
Okay, good.
theater. What
नहीं,
do people
there
do there?
नहीं, देयर के बाद मूवी थिएटर कहने के बाद देयर नहीं कहना. आपने बस सिंपली ये कहनी है पीपल गो देयर. बस देयर का मतलब मूवी थिएटर है. यस
Okay,
अरसलान.
sir.
पीपल
What
गो
do
देयर.
people do there? People go there.
ओके, नाउ लास्ट क्वेश्चन. व्हाट डू पीपल डू देयर? क्या करते हैं लोग वहां पे? यस.
People sees the movie.
People watch movie on big screen.
People watch movie in big screen.
Very well done. Good job Arslan and Soran. Well done. Very nice. देखें जी, आज हम सिर्फ एक ही एक्टिविटी कर पाए, but I enjoyed a lot. माशाल्लाह. You people gave beautiful answers, and you used lot of different words, synonyms. So I'm really happy today. You people are improving. So rest of the activities we will do tomorrow, inshallah. And you people have chance to practice these activities at home with your siblings, with yourself, with the help of mirror. You use mirror and speak and do all these activities. इन activities को कीजिएगा, फिर हम कल इसको complete करने की कोशिश करेंगे. And हो सकता है इसमें से किसी एक दो activities को मैं आपको बतौर homework भी दे दूं. I think I have classes now. अभी मेरी classes हैं. रात 9-10 बजे जब classes मेरी end हो जाएंगी, तो फिर मैं देखूंगा कि आपको क्या homework देना है. Okay? हो सकता है अभी भी दे दूं कुछ. We'll see. But how did you feel today? I really enjoyed today with you. आपने अपना feedback जो है अभी group में share कर देना है. ओके? हमने ग्रुप में सिर्फ ये ना बताया करें कि आज अच्छा लगा है, बल्कि ये भी बताया करें कि आज हमने क्या सीखा है और कैसे सीखा है. Okay? So it's enough for today. We'll see you tomorrow. Till then, keep caring, keep praying, keep practicing, keep connecting, and keep
Smiling.
smiling. Allah Hafiz.
I love
Allah Hafiz.
Love it,
Allah
sir.
Hafiz. Allah Hafiz.